Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to link Trust Wallet with Treasure NFT. Open Trust Wallet, tap dApps or browser, then navigate to the Treasure NFT site and connect when prompted. Approve the connection using your wallet passcode or biometric unlock to authorize the dApp. Always review the permissions requested and refuse any unexpected transaction requests to keep your assets safe and under your control. Start by opening Trust Wallet and enabling the dApp browser or choosing Wallet Connect if preferred. Visit the Treasure NFT site and tap Connect, then select Trust Wallet from the wallet list to initiate the handshake. You will see a permissions prompt outlining allowed actions. Read it carefully before approving. After confirming, the wallet shows a connected status, and you can interact with listings, bids, and minting features securely. Keep your account safe by confirming the Treasure NFT site and ensuring the SSL lock is present in the browser. Never disclose your seed phrase or private keys, and store backups offline for emergencies. When connecting, limit permissions to what the dApp needs and decline any transactions that look suspicious. Regularly update Trust Wallet and monitor activity so you can spot unauthorized access early and respond appropriately.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.